Hello and welcome to 5 Minute Solution channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how you can enable the Windows virus protection on. So for that you have to click in this arrow icon and click on this icon, the Windows security icon. You have to click on that. In here you will find the option virus and threat protection. You can simply click turn on from here, but you can access more settings under here. For that you have to go in and click on manage settings. Here you will find different kind of virus protections. You can enable all of them, but make sure to enable all of them. And these two are the most important virus protection settings. You have to make sure to enable them. So I'm going to enable this, and it might ask for a password, your password. So I'm going to type in my password. Maybe my recorder won't capture this, but no problem, you get the idea. After typing a password you have to click yes. Sometimes you need to may need to do this. So that's how you enable virus protection in Windows 11. If you want more videos like this, then like, comment and subscribe, and also thank you very much for watching this video. Hello and welcome to 5 Minute Solution channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how you can fix your Windows 11 laptop that is slow. So for that you have to first open a task manager. For that you have to click on Ctrl Shift and Escape, and here under startup you have to disable all the unwanted programs, unwanted startup programs. For example, I have already disabled this. You have to right click and click on disable. So you have to disable all the unnecessary ones. So after that you have to search for animation effects here. So you have to turn it off. Make sure to turn it off. So you also can turn off the transparency effects. Then you can do one another thing. You have to go to this PC and right click on this PC and click on properties. So here you will find advanced system settings. You have to go there. Under there you will find this option. Under performance you have to click on settings, and in here under visual effects tab you have to click on adjust for best performance and click on apply. So after that click on OK, and after doing these three processes your laptop will be significantly faster. And also you can do one more thing, that is go to power options, and in power option you have to go to the main settings and you have to click on high performance mode. But be aware that it will consume your battery a little bit more. So that's how you make your Windows 11 laptop faster. If you want more videos like this, then like, comment and subscribe, and also thank you very much for watching this video.